Hello guys, this is Oneboy TV. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. Let me do this very quick. For those of us mining this Xenea airdrop, this is how to import your contract address. Alright, so first of all, click this Ethereum right here, this Ethereum here. Click that drop down icon, then change it to BNB. Alright, so change it to BNB chain. Let's wait for it to load. Change it to BNB chain, then I don't know why. Okay, change it to BNB chain. You can see BNB chain now is now showing. Before it was showing Ethereum. Then once you change it to BNB chain, click on this import token right here. All right, this import token here, this one. So make sure you watch this video. Don't come and be asking me question in in my DM on WhatsApp. Please make sure you watch this video. So click on import token, then click on custom token. You guys know how we did it on CPEN earlier this year, right? Click on custom token, then the contract address I'm going to be leaving on this video description or on the comment section or on my WhatsApp group. This is why I'm telling you guys to join my WhatsApp group. You guys think I'm chasing crowd. This is most of the reason why I'm telling you guys to join WhatsApp group, because I first of all share things on WhatsApp group before coming to share it here on YouTube. So I'll be leaving my WhatsApp group on the comment section, on the my WhatsApp group link on the video description and on the comment section as well. Do yourself a favor to join that group. Let me approve your joining. Alright, so if you are here, the contract address, you paste it here. Alright, you paste it here. You can see this place now is now showing LYN, while this place is showing 18. You guys know how you guys know that this was how we did it on CPEN. CPEN was showing 18 here, while here was showing CPEN was showing CPEN here, while here was showing 18 as well. So once it pop up all this NYN and 18, then you now click on next. This is next here, this down, this is next here, right? So click on next. So click on import. This is import here. Click on import. Alright, so make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when next I post amazing video like this, you'll be notified. You can see now BNB is now showing here on our dashboard. You can see it. This BNB, this evening token. Alright, this evening token. So if you have checking during the, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So you can see what they say on their Twitter handle. Evelyn ecosystem airdrop is coming soon. We are launching our first community airdrop for Xenea wallet user. It's the Web3 AI video protocol, Evelyn AI LYN. This is the same LYN that shows when I import that contract address. So if you have been participating on this Xenea, go and import your contract address. All right, so make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe, so that because I'll be keeping you guys updated on this particular project and other projects that you don't know anything about. All right, I'll be leaving you guys here now, and I'm hoping to see you all in my next video. Peace.